In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change volume to lots on Ctrader. If you prefer placing trades using lots instead of units, this quick setup will make your order tickets clearer and more consistent, especially for forex. I'll walk you through the exact path in the Ctrader web app and share a few tips so you know what to expect once it's set. First, open your browser and go to the official Ctrader website. This ensures you're using the correct platform and the latest interface. From there, sign into your Ctrader account with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be in the trading app. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings icon. It's easy to miss if you're focused on charts, so pause for a second and make sure you're actually in settings before moving on. This is where Ctrader stores platform-wide preferences that affect how order tickets behave. Inside settings, select the tab labeled Assets. This tab specifically controls how different instruments are displayed and handled in the platform. You're not changing anything about your account or your broker here. You're just telling the platform how you'd like volumes to be shown by default. Within the Assets section, find the option called Default Asset Trading Units. This setting determines the unit of measurement you'll see when you open an order ticket. By default, many platforms show units, which can be less intuitive if you're used to lots. Switching it here means you won't have to adjust it for every new order. Click on Lots to set it as your default. That's it. No extra confirmations needed. From now on, when you open an order ticket for supported assets, your volume field will appear in lots rather than units. For context, in forex, a standard lot is typically 100,000 units of the base currency. A mini lot is 0.1 and a micro lot is 0.01. Using lots makes sizing more straightforward if you calculate risk by lot size or use standard position sizing rules. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you trade instruments outside of forex, like indices, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, some may still display volumes in contracts or units depending on the asset's specifications. That's normal and determined by the instrument, not your preference. If you don't immediately see the change, close and reopen an order ticket to refresh the view. And remember, this is a display preference. It doesn't alter pricing, spreads, or execution, just how you input volume. That's all you need to change volume to lots in Ctrader. Save this setup once, and your order tickets will feel more intuitive going forward.